Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you through an amazing experience we had at Kabarack University right here in Nakuru County. It was a day full of connection, teamwork, laughter and refreshing nature walk that brought everyone closer together. From the moment we arrived, you could already feel the calm and beautiful environment that Kabarack is known for, surrounded by greenery, fresh air, and well maintained spaces. It was the perfect setting for what we had planned, a team building session combined with a nature walk. Now, team building is more than just activities. It's about strengthening relationships, improving communications, and creating trust among people. And that's exactly what this day was all about. We kicked off the event with a few warm up activities to break the ice. You know how sometimes people can be a bit reserved at the beginning? Well, not for long. Within minutes, everyone was laughing, interacting, and getting comfortable with each other.
Not acting. Let us first listen to her and then we ask. Because we are starting to act.
Please be where you're supposed to be. Behind. We want you guys to shout. We hear your slogan. Are you guys ready? Now, going to point, I hear your slogan. Tuanza na the maroon commandos. Twende kazi. Your slogan.
Haya, mujitayarishe.
Haya, twende hapa. Fire, stay fire. Noma, say noma. In the gray area. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. That's it, eh? Oh, Sabas. Clap for the gray ones. Higher, now, show them how it's done. Red team, in 3, 2, 1, turn there. We're going in the props, eh? Clap for them. Very nice, Hey, shout the slogan of your team.
Our slogan is, we are the people.
The facilitators guided us through different group exercises that challenged us to think, collaborate, and support one another. Some tasks required strategy, others needed creativity, and a few really tested how well we could communicate under pressure. And let me tell you, it was fun. One thing that stood out was how people who barely interacted before were now working together, sharing ideas, and encouraging each other. That's the beauty of team building. It breaks barriers and builds real connections.
Mabega bado?
Bado.
Twende chini ba.
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 Bado bado?
Bado bado.
Bado?
Bado.
Ba.
Ba.
Bado bado? Ba. So do what I say, not necessarily what I do. Let's try. Kila mtu bado bado? Bado? Ba. Bado bado? Bado bado? Kuna watu sisikii, kila mtu nimsikie bado bado? Bado bado? Ba. Ba. Nani ameinua mkono, naomba nikuombee. Tujaribu tena bado bado? Ba. Bado? Bado? Bado?
Not forgetting that I See a Lion was there on ground for financial awareness and empowerment talk. I, as a representative from I See a Lion, we took the stage to speak about financial planning, insurance, and the importance of securing your future. We shared the importance of saving early, understanding insurance and risk protection, planning for long term financial stability, making informed financial decisions. It was an eye opening session, especially for students and young professionals. Many people realize that financial literacy is not just about money, it's about security, discipline, and future planning. After the activities, we transitioned into the nature walk. Honestly, one of the most refreshing parts of the day, walking through the scenic environment of Kabarack University, you get to appreciate nature in a whole new way. The trees, the quiet paths, the birds, everything just creates a peaceful atmosphere that helps you relax and reflect. As we walked, conversations flowed naturally. People opened up more, shared experiences, and connected on a deeper level beyond just work or daily routines. Nature has a way of doing that. It slows things down and allows people to be present. The walk wasn't rushed, it was intentional. We took time to observe, to breathe, and to just enjoy the moment. And in that space, you could see genuine friendship forming. At some point, we paused and had a short reflection sessions. Everyone shared what they had learned from the team building exercises and how the experience made them feel. Some talked about the importance of communication, others spoke about trust and teamwork, and many appreciated the chance to disconnect from stress and reconnect with people. It was powerful. What made this event more special was the balance between activity and relaxation. It wasn't just about doing tasks, it was about building meaningful connections in a natural and supportive environment. By the end of the day, the energy had completely changed. What started as a group of individuals had turned into a stronger, more connected team. You could see it in the smiles, in the conversations, and in the way people interacted. And honestly, that's the goal of any team building event. If there's one thing to take away from this experience, it's that the connection matters, whether it's in school, at work, or in everyday life. Building strong relationships makes everything better. And sometimes all it takes is stepping out into nature, engaging in simple activities, and giving people the space to connect.
Oh, this is the high school. Nice.
Shamba ni kama nini? Shamba ni kama mtoto mdogo. Anaweza haribu kitu hapo. Shamba ni tofauti na imani. Ingine wewe ndio jambo. Leo ni sasa ni kutulia wote. Inataka maji.
Tumemaliza kudiscuss. Shapata answer.
Kabarack University provided the perfect environment for that. It's not just a place for learning, it's a space where growth, both personal and social, can truly happen. As we wrapped up the day, there was a sense of fulfillment, tired eyes, but happy, refreshed, and more united than before. To everyone who was part of this event, thank you for showing up, participating, and making it such a memorable experience. And to anyone watching this, if you're planning a team building event, consider adding a nature walk. It might seem simple, but the impact is powerful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay connected, stay positive, and keep growing.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Here we go. Make sure you're breathing in and out. 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly switch. Inasikia watu akipiga nduru. 4, 3, 2, hapo. Make sure you breathe in and out. 5, 4, 3, 2, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn it. 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly switch. 5, 4, 3, 2. Turn the chini. 4, 3, 2, 1. Huku kwingine. Shikilia jirani because of balance. Usianguke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands akimbo. Now push your elbows back. Make sure you breathe in and out, eh?
Hawa ni nani hawa? Hey, Timbu, 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 Timbu. Kama kwa ya Kristo. Yes. Anafanya nini? Shikilia kwa nataka peke yake. Alright, receiving the award from whom? Right, alright. Blue team, are you ready? Yes. Together with the captain, are you guys ready? Ninasikia hii ni ya VC, eh?
Team Blue mngojea ni mimi napeana trophy naweza potea nayo.
Ukijaribu watakusalimia.
Let me confirm where is Team Purple, all right. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to move and present this trophy to the second runners up now in the very special honor for this event.
Washuke chini. Washuke wote, washuke chini. Tushuke chini, lakini usiruke tafadhali, hata kama tuko na ambulance. Tafadhali tupigie makofi. Team Blue. Yes. motisha wakiendelea kitu creative kama wao.
Makofi wanapenda kukaa.
Kimbieni nayo mkisonga hivyo. For sure. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. Green, shika. Tunataka wakuja with the united team dance. DJ weka song. Haraka haraka. Kuja. Haraka haraka na dance. Twende. 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 Wewe. Wewe. Ama ni wajei ni waonyeshe. Weka mkono juu. Weka mkono juu. Weka mkono juu. Tuingie marathon. Kila mtu hapa. 3, 2, shikilia hapo. DJ shikilia. Now.
I'm going to invite the DVC, Professor Chepkilot, to
Kama mawimbi wewe wanizunguka. Thank you, Titi. That is your song. Zunguka twende. Upendo wa Yesu. Klasi. Tumeyaona. Mungu umetenda. Aki vibe ya Yesu ni mzuri. Reverend Motuku, kuja tusaidie kutupatia hii gift. Hey.
During the event, there was also a special moment of appreciation. IC Lion was awarded a gift by Kabarack University as a token of appreciation for their partnership, support, and commitment to educating and empowering participants financially. This moment highlighted the importance of collaboration between institutions and organizations in building a stronger, more informed community. It was a proud and memorable moment for everyone present.